Hi everyone, this is Joyce again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share you another tips and tricks to promote hair growth, and that's the banana and avocado smoothies. First, remember that beauty comes from the inside. Here's a smoothie that you can drink every day to support healthy hair, skin, and beauty. This smoothie has everything your hair needs to grow strong and healthy. The avocados gives you essential fatty acids which prevent hair loss and promotes hair growth. Avocados are not only delicious, they're also great for maintaining your hair's health. Your hair needs protein and healthy fats to keep it healthy and shiny. And avocados are one of the good sources for healthy fats, omega-3 as well as biotins, vitamin B. The bananas are respectable sources of vitamin C. It gives you potassium and magnesium, and also rich in fiber, antioxidants, and several nutrients. Consuming banana smoothies daily keeps our hair moisturized and very well hydrated. So now, let's cut the bananas into pieces. Then after you cut it, let's put it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours because frozen banana is best. Hi guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye! See you on my next one. God bless!